Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Got another twin to the red one that I had. However, this one's legendary black with legendary orange Seminole paint. Beautiful truck. And these two colors really bounce off of each other really well. The metal flake in them. Just gorgeous. Did the black wheels on it. This one's a sold unit. Larry out in Sterling, Colorado. Beautiful truck. We just put a wet kit on it. Actually swapped it from his trade. I'll show you that here in a minute. But just a gorgeous truck. I'll show you that. It's a little bit dirty. We had a rainstorm last night. The metal flake's pretty fine in the orange, but it really bounces off the legendary black really well. Just the orange brings out the metal flake in the legendary black really, really well. Beautiful truck. We got the lights on it. Got LoPro 24/5 wheels and tires. Thanks to Wheel Pros, wheelpros.com. They got all these wheels, all kinds of colors. They got some new ones coming out if you want to go check it out. I think they call it the left lane wheel. LED lights. Got a legendary orange frame as well. Medium def tank. 110 gallon fuel tank on this side. Did the sliding rear window, the back of the sleeper, and we did the logger mount antenna for the radio, and the center of the back of sleeper for the CB antenna. Much cleaner look. No air horns on the front. 6 load lights. Then we did a high pressure 2-line wet kit. So it's high pressure, low volume, running like belt trailers, things like that. There's the orange frame. Got the Hogebuilt polished stainless steel fenders, full fenders. Michelin XDN2 tires. She's a good looking truck. Love the painted frames. We got disc brakes on the rear. Aluminum fifth wheel. Just a beautiful truck. Got the toolboxes with the access handles. You can tell by the little exhaust port back there, we got an ESBAR heater in it. A 150 on the fuel tank here. Everything polished. Even got polished window chops. You could leave the polished wheels on. This truck looks fantastic with the new aero mirrors. Those are really nice. Probably don't look quite as nice as the traditional ones, but extremely functional. Put a 14-inch drop visor on it and added a couple extra cab lights there. Black LED headlights. Oh, see if we can get this thing open. Cummins X15, 565, 2050 torque. Love the painted frame. Air ride steer axle. They do paint the airbags, but that flakes off shortly. Disc brakes on the front. Apologize for it being dirty. It really pops when it's clean, but the detail guy couldn't get here today. Davco fuel filter. The remote lube bank. Dual leveling valves. Air ride steer axle. Good looking truck. Very distinctive. You know exactly who has this truck when it comes down the road, that's for sure. Got the tan platinum interior. can get her fired up. This one's got the navigation screen, so it's firing up. Then starting down here, fuel filter, brake application, forward steer axle. Here's the rear axle. They should put those together from the factory. Tranny temp, load suspension, or suspension load, DEF, manifold pressure, and oil temperature. A PTO switch there makes it really easy. Bring that down. Air suspension. This one does not have full lockers. It does have the inner axle diff lock. AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth, factory CB. Got the air horn on there. Got a train horn underneath. It's got the mid-level speaker system in it, and then this is for the CB. Sliding rear window back there. You can see we put the armrests here. They flip around and then fold down. So that's really nice. ESBAR heater and all your controls back here. This is a 72-inch flat top. The business center here. On the passenger side. And you got your closet over here. So I just thought I'd show you this one. It is a sold unit. The red and black one is still available. Just a gorgeous truck. Orange and black. Especially for you Harley guys. It really pops. Just a super, super good looking truck. It's a 280 wheelbase and 336 gears. Oh, and I was going to check and see. A lot of guys say, hey, how much does it weigh? So the weight on this one, 18,306 pounds. 18,306. So, good looking truck. Got any questions, you can text me, call me, email me. Any of the three. You can put in the comments. Try to get to the comments, but sometimes it gets a little busy here at work. It gets a little overwhelming trying to keep up with the comments. But I appreciate you watching. You can call me at 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk@rushenterprises.com. And please like and subscribe if you like this, or if you want any suggestions for me, anything you want to see. I don't have all the answers, but I will certainly find them for you. So, again, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Take care.